Hi everyone, we will see the next question. The diagram shows a vertical wire carrying a current I placed between the poles of a magnet. What is the direction of force on the wire exerted by the magnetic field? So here the current direction is given, the magnet is being placed, and the direction of force needs to be found out. And the direction of force will always be in right angles with the current and this field. So the right answer is C. So it will be horizontal and it will be in right angles with the direction of this magnetic field. Next question. What is the advantage of transmitting electricity at high voltage? So when you're transmitting electricity at high voltage, the power loss will be less. That means energy waste will be less. So the right answer is C. Less energy is getting wasted. Next, how are positive and negative ions formed from atoms? So in atoms, negative and positive it is there. So how we are getting negative and positive ions? So in an atom, suppose you are removing this electron, this will become positive. And if you are adding an electron to this, it will become negative. So the right answer is C. Remove an electron from the atom. The atom will be having both positive and negative. So if you are removing this negative, it will be becoming a positive ion. And in your atom, both positive and negative is there. If you are adding an electron to this extra electron to this, it will become negative ion. Next, a nucleus of an element X is represented as X 5626. So, which is the isotope of the element X? So, here we will be writing downside it will be proton number and upside it will be neutron number. So, isotope of an element are atoms that have the same number of protons. Proton number will be same but different number of neutrons. So here you can see proton number is 26. For this case, B is having proton number as 26 and neutron number will be different. So the right answer is B. The isotope is 5426X. Next, which statement about the random decay of nuclei in a sample of uranium-238 is correct? So uranium-238 decays by emitting alpha particles. The negative and positive charge are created in equal amounts. So here the right answer is C. That is the probability of nucleus decaying in any 10-minute interval is same for all the nuclei in the sample. Next, the count rate due to the sample of a radioactive isotope is measured for 80 minutes. You can see the chart here. What is the half-life of the isotope? So the half-life of isotope means the average time for the half of the atoms in the given sample to decay. So here it is 480, half means it is 2:40. So you can see the time here, that is 60 minutes. So the right answer is 60 minutes. Next, which planet in our solar system is nearest to Sun and what is the nature of planet? So we can see here Mercury. This is Sun. Mercury is next to Sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Then Jupiter is there. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So out of this, these first four planets are called as rocky planets, and the other four planets are called as gaseous planets. So here, the right answer is A. That is, Mercury is nearer to Sun and it is rocky in nature. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth. These four planets are actually rocky planets. Next, the Sun consists mostly of two elements. What are these two elements? So, Sun is composed of 92% of hydrogen and 8% helium. So the right answer is B, hydrogen and helium. So the last question, which statement about Milky Way is correct? Actually, Milky Way is our galaxy. So the right answer is, it is a galaxy. Thank you all.